Hello everyone. Well, I tried to sell a assorted of pieces in which you can create a really good Rotary table. But first of all, I want to show you the accuracy of the main part. See, I'm going to remove, and I want to put a little bit of, you see how it's moving the reader. So let's give a set of light right there, and then turn this. It's actually moving less than a 1000. If I turn it faster, no, look how it's still quiet, because the force of my finger is going to make a move. But as soon as you see, it's not moving at all. Look, see, it's extremely accurate. The dial moves lightly when I push a pressure, look, in my finger, but when I turn it fast, it's still quiet. I hope you see that. That's basically the main part of the piece. So let me remove from and explain you everything. This is a big and nice piece. This is steel. I left the screws. I removed this from very precise machine. Unfortunately, I have to remove them because the rest of the part is very heavy. So there is, let's see this way, there is a ball bearing on the top and another ball bearing on down. I show you where is the accuracy. Okay, so this is the main part. Second part is, let me bring the pieces. Just putting in here to you see more clear what is happening. This one, if I want to build a table, I take this out, taking this screw out, take this piece out, and mounting in my table in